Electronics. Today we are going to discuss about binary coded decimal BCD code, which is also called as natural BCD code. The weight is going to be used as 8421. In this code, each decimal digit 0 through 9 is coded by a 4-bit binary number. Now look out this example, binary versus BCD. Decimal number 14 is expressed as binary like this 1110, whereas in BCD each decimal digit is going to be expressed as code 4-bit binary number. That means 1 is expressed as like this and 4 is expressed as like this. Similarly 67 is represented as binary like this, but 67 in BCD as 6 as separate 4-bit binary group and 7 as separate 4-bit binary group. Now if you observe very important point, in BCD code 0 through 9 are legal codes, 10 through 15 are the illegal codes. Now if you observe that BCD arithmetic, we are having two types of BCD arithmetic, BCD addition and BCD subtraction, but BCD subtraction is going to be performed using 9s and 10s complement also. Now BCD addition, it is performed by individually adding the corresponding digits of the decimal numbers expressed in 4-bit binary groups starting from the least significant digit. Now look out the rules and some examples of it. Rule number 1, if there is no carry and the sum term is not an illegal code, no correction is needed. Rule number 2, if there is a carry out of one group to the next group, or if the sum term is an illegal code. Here observe the word or. That means if there is a carry or if the sum term is an illegal code, then we have to add 6 to the sum term of that group and the resulting carry is added to the next group. Now look out some examples here. 25 plus 13. 25 plus 13 we know that which is 38. Now 25 is expressed in BCD as like this and 13 is expressed in BCD as like this. If you perform addition, sum 0 carry 1, sum 0 carry 1, sum 0 carry 1, then 1 1 0 0, there is no carry and the sum term is a legal code. There is no illegal codes. That's why no need of correction here, which is 38. Is it clear? And very important note here, BCD arithmetic applicable to only for decimal number system. That is, if the question is given in array radix, you have to convert the radix to decimal number system and you have to perform the BCD arithmetic. Is it clear? Now look out one more example here. 679.6 plus 536.8. Now if you perform the addition here, it may be 1216.4. Express 679.6 and 536.8 in BCD like this. Now perform the addition 0 1 1 1. If you observe that it is this group is not generating any carry, but it is a illegal code. That's why we have to add 6 here. Then 1 1 1 1. Once again there is no carry, but the sum term is a illegal code. Then sum 0 carry 1, sum 1 carry 1, sum 0 carry 1 1. Once again there is no carry, but the sum term is an illegal code. Then 1 1 sum 0 carry 1. Once again there is no carry, but it is also an illegal code. That's why I have added 6 for each and every sum term. Now after adding here 0, then sum 0 carry 1, sum 1 carry 1, sum 0 carry 1. Even though here there is a carry generated, you should not add once again 6 here. Why? Because this group already added 6. Once 6 is added, you need not to perform once again. Is it clear? Now if you observe the sum 0 carry 1, sum 1 carry 1, sum 1 carry 1, once again there is a carry here, sum 0 carry 1. That means you need not to add. Why? Because it is also this group also once we are already added 6 here. Then 1 sum 0 carry 1, sum 0 carry 1, sum 0 carry 1. Here also if you observe that there is a carry, but we already added 6 here. Is it clear? Then sum 0 carry 1, sum 1 carry 1, sum 0 carry 1, sum 0 carry 1. If you observe there is a carry, don't forget we already added 6 here also. In this way you have to do the correction. Then if you observe that 1216.4, it is match. If you want, you can do this example by your own. This is the example for you by your own you have to do. Now coming back to the BCD subtraction, it is performed by subtracting the digits of each 4-bit group of the subtrahend from the corresponding 4-bit group of the minuend in binary starting from the LSD. Look out the rules and examples. Now if you observe the rules here, if there is no borrow from the next higher group, then no correction is required. If there is a borrow from the next group, then 6 is subtracted from the difference term of this group. In the subtraction, there is no word as legal or illegal. Is it clear? Now if you observe that 38 minus 15, 38 expressed in BCD as like this, then 15 is represented as like this. Now if you observe that 0 minus 1, difference 1 borrow 1, difference 1 borrow 1, difference 0 borrow 1. Now if you observe 0, since there is no borrow, need not to subtract 6 from this. Now 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 0 1, Here also there is no borrow, need not to subtract. That means no borrow, no correction is required, which is what 2, okay, which is what 3. Is it clear? This is 3 and this is 2. Okay, now if you observe that, okay, now if you observe this example, 206.7 minus 147.8. Now we have expressed or represented this in terms of BCD. Now if you perform the subtraction, 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 0 1, 0 minus 1, difference 1, borrow 1. Since there is a borrow, I want to subtract 6 from this. Then similarly, difference 0 borrow 1, difference 1 borrow 1, difference 1 borrow 1. Now if you observe difference 1 borrow 1, once again there is a borrow from this group, I have to subtract 6 from this. Now difference 1 borrow 1, difference 1 borrow 1, difference 0 borrow 1, difference 1 borrow 1. Once again you observe that there is a borrow, therefore I have to subtract 6 from this. Now if you observe that difference 0 borrow 1, difference 0, oh no, there is no borrow, there is no borrow from this group, therefore I need not to subtract 6 from this. Now after subtracting this 1 0 0 1, then 0 0 0, 1 minus 0 1, then 1 1 minus 1 0, 0 minus 1, difference 1 borrow 1, then 0 0. If you observe that 058.9, if you want you can cross check this. In this way you have to do. Here there is no illegal word. Okay, do this example by your own. Okay, if there is a borrow, I have subtracted here. If there is a borrow, I have subtracted. If there is a borrow, I have subtracted. Okay, in this way you have to do. Okay, in the next class we will see the BCD arithmetic using 9s and 10s complement. Thank you very much for each and everyone. Have a nice day.